Hi, this is Nathan Powell, and I'm going to show you quickly the process of submitting a subcontractor invoice through TeamLink portal, which is the project management software that Powell Hunsaker Construction uses. So the first step is you'll receive a TeamLink invitation from our company um, to your email address. Now we can add multiple contacts to a project. So if you have one person that does the project management, a different person who deals with all the invoices, which is very common, we can put you both in. So you've gotten this email. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new password. So you click that link and then you'll have a password set up. I've already done it for this fake account, so I'll click here. That'll bring this up, which I need to copy this email, enter the password, and sign in. This is going to show the active projects that my company or as a subcontractor I'm involved in. So they will click on that project. If you have multiple projects you're involved in, there'll be multiple projects to choose from. This kind of gives a summary overview of the project. We are just worried about sub invoices right now, but there's an array of things that you can do, including submitting RFIs and submittals, reviewing drawings and specifications, seeing what open items you might have. And then there's financial things. So for this company, we have submitted a sub invoice, we have a subcontract, and so forth. So we're going to submit a new sub invoice. To do so, we'll just go back to our quick links. Here's our sub invoices. We're just going to go over here to this plus, which is add. We'll just hit that. So we got our prime contract. We have our subcontract number. Who is it coming from? The invoice number. You'll enter that. We'll put in our payment terms, and we'll click Save and Next. From here, you'll see the scheduled values. This total, these values should match your subcontract amount. And so we can bill one of two ways. I guess one of three ways. We can put current work amount, current stored amount, or percent complete. Typically, we rarely use the current stored account or column. So we'll just use current work. We'll enter this two different ways. We're going to add 2,500 to this, which automatically changes the percentage here. On this one, we'll just bill it at 50%, which increases the current work amount. Labor, let's take that to 60%. And on the concrete line item, we'll just enter 10,000. So our total bill is going to be gross amount before retainage is $23,750. Click Save and Next. You aren't able to change after you click OK here, but if you have an issue, just let someone at the company know, and we can revise it for you or send it back. So we click OK. This now brings us kind of the summary, and we would want to look at a couple things here. So here's the amount that you currently invoiced. This is the amount that actually is going to be paid after we hold retention. The retention's amounts are listed here. This shows the total retention being held after this, including this invoice, is now going to be this amount. So you want to upload here both your lien waivers, conditional lien waiver, unconditional lien waiver if you've been paid for previous invoices, and then also your invoice itself. So we can click Add. Let's see, documents, here we go. I made a little fake folder here. So here's the invoice, there's the lien waiver. Those are now both uploaded. Let's just take a look at them. Yep, there's the invoice. And here's the lien waiver. You want that filled out and signed. So you'll know the conditional lien waiver, the amount that you'll list here, would match this amount right here. Then for previous sub invoices, this amount here would be the unconditional amount, which we would list here. Date it through the current date and the date through which that last most recently paid invoice was, and sign both of these fields. And that's basically the process of submitting that. From there, who's the project manager listed for the project will get the invoice notification in their emails, and they will go in and approve the billing amount. If you have any questions, please reach out to someone with Powell Hunsaker Construction, and we can answer that for you. Thank you.